ride, don't be shy. Jolene can't wait to meet you for a trailer park Christmas. The Trailer Park Way, with a brand new recipe every day. Sending videos from her trailer. Yeah. She's Jolene Sugarbaker. She is Jolene Sugarbaker. Come and spend the holidays the Trailer Park Way. Merry Trailer Park Christmas.
Trailer Park Christmas.
Merry Trailer Park Christmas. Hooray!
Well, hi there, Trailer Park fans. It's Jolene Sugarbaker, the Trailer Park Queen, and welcome to the Trailer Park Test Kitchen. And Merry Trailer Park Christmas Eve. This is Trailer Park Christmas 2019, where I'm bringing you a video every day until the 25th. I've got a calendar at trailerparkchristmas.com that you can follow along. And I see today's recipe is gingerbread muffins. Now that is definitely something for the holiday. These gingerbread muffins are great, but you do need to put them in the fridge overnight. But think about it. You can bake them in the morning on Christmas Day, Trailer Park Christmas Day, which is actually tomorrow. So I'm going to show you up next on Trailer Park Christmas 2019. I'll be right back. Welcome back. Making my gingerbread muffins is a great thing to do the night before Christmas Day, Trailer Park Christmas Day. I've got some buttermilk here. Now, I know it's hard to get buttermilk, and I use this prepared kind. You know, they have it just like the dried milk. They have buttermilk, and it lasts a long time. So that's what I'm using today. You could also add a little vinegar to some regular milk, but this actual muffin has some sort of chemical reaction. It kind of raises real pretty when you add some baking soda. So what I'm going to do is I'm adding a half teaspoon of baking soda to 1/4 cup of buttermilk there, and I'm just going to set that aside, and we're going to get together our other ingredients. So I'll check back with you in just a moment. Welcome back. I've got my stand mixer here, but you could probably mix it by hand if you're really strong. I've got 1/3 cup of, there we go, vegetable shortening there, and I've got 1/4 cup of granulated sugar, just regular table sugar, and 1/4 cup of brown sugar here, right on into the bowl. And we're going to take 1 egg and pop that on in there, and we're going to make this nice, light, and fluffy. So I'll check back with you in just a moment. Next up, you're going to add 1/4 cup of corn syrup, and that takes forever. And we're going to mix this around till it's nice and fluffy again too. Now, these muffins sure do have the spices of the season. We're going to add 1 teaspoon of ground ginger. Now, we've used this in a couple of the different kind of stir-fry dishes that we've done in the past. So that goes right on in there. And I may have just rounded that too much, so I'll put that right back in there. So that's 1 teaspoon of ginger. And today we're using Saigon cinnamon, which is a true cinnamon. And we're going to use 1 teaspoon of that. And wow, that smells already very festive there. And then we're going to get a little smaller one, a 1/4 teaspoon, because these are a little bit stronger. We need 1/4 teaspoon of allspice, and that's just got a little bit of mixture of everything. And then we need 1/4 teaspoon of ground cloves. Wow, I remember making those little clove things. You stuck them in oranges, cloves, and then you put them in the closet, I think. It made them smell fresh, but then you had an orange that was kind of maybe rotting, I don't know, with cloves in it. But anyway, we're going to mix this around just a little bit. There we go. And now we're going to incorporate 1 cup of flour here. And I'll check back with you in just a moment. Now mix in your buttermilk concoction. Okay, now we have the batter. We're going to cover this and we're going to refrigerate it overnight because some magical things are going to happen with that buttermilk, and it's just going to make it taste even better. I know that's going to be hard to wait, but think about that on Christmas morning. You're going to just throw these in the oven and they're going to taste so good. So I'll check back with you in just a moment. And we're back. Now for the gingerbread muffins, I found these cute little foil baking things, but you can use a cupcake thing with the liners or without if you're really into washing dishes. But we have our batter here, which is rested overnight, and it's kind of a thick batter, so you're going to have to work with it. You're going to probably fill them just about probably 2/3 full. So I'm going to fill these up and check back with you in just a moment. Okay, I've got them filled up, and if you're using a cupcake pan, it'll be just the same. So I preheated the oven to 350 degrees, and we're going to bake these for about 20 to 25 minutes, depending on the container that you use. So set your timer. And there you have it, my gingerbread muffin. And wow, that smells just like the holidays. Allspice and cloves and cinnamon, and I used the cute little containers to bake them in, and you can certainly give these away to your friends too after the holidays. But this is just a great little muffin that you can make for maybe brunch or something like that. But I just want to taste this. I just think you could make a glaze or some sort of frosting for the top of these, but I just can't wait to try this, especially with that buttermilk in them. And that tastes like the holidays with the clove and the cinnamon, and everything that you think of the holidays is that taste. That is the gingerbread is definitely, that's a good gingerbread. I hope you get a chance to make my gingerbread muffins, and if you do, send me pictures at jolenesugarbaker@gmail.com. And don't forget to follow me all over the place. I'm on that Instagram, I'm on that Facebook, and even that Pinterest. And the best thing you can do is download the free calendar. Even though there is my Christmas message tomorrow, there's tons of recipes that you can be the star of your double wide. So check out that at trailerparkchristmas.com, and I'll see you tomorrow for a Christmas message. I love you. Merry Trailer Park Christmas. Bye-bye.
Slap on all your blue eyeshadow. Watch out for